How to fix Snapchat device ban. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Play Store. In the search bar, search for Snapchat. Head over to this application. So right here, instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be one of the reasons that you are facing this issue. In this case, all you want to do is tap on update and update your application to the latest version. Now the next thing you want to do is to head over to your settings. Move into apps. Tap on see all apps. Right here, search for the application Snapchat and head over to it. Tap on storage and cache. You need to clear the cache and the storage of this application. Clearing the cache and storage will remove all of the unwanted bugs from your application, and it will make your application run smoothly. Once it is done, now the next thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. In the search bar, search for Snapchat support. Head over to the very first site. And then move into this option, my account is compromised. It will land you on this interface. Scroll all the way to the bottom. You need to fill up some of the informations right here. First of all, enter your username of your Snapchat and then email address and then your phone number. Well, enter the phone number that is associated with your Snapchat account. And in the description box, you need to enter the issue that you have been facing on Snapchat. You simply need to describe the current situation of your Snapchat. And once you are done filling up all of this information, tap on submit. Once your report has been submitted, the Snapchat support will definitely come up with some solution for you. And then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to fix Snapchat device ban. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for staying with us till the end.